Welcome students, welcome to my channel Strains of Dreams. Let's have a quick recap of sounds of animals. Cock says crows. Cat says meows. A crow says caw. A dog barks. A monkey chatters. A sparrow chirps. An elephant trumpets. A donkey brays. A snake hisses. A goat bleats. A horse sneezes. Now let's answer one word to the following questions. What sound does a cat make? Right, it mews. What sound does a horse make? Yes, it sneezes. What sound a sparrow makes? Yes, it chirps. What sound a monkey makes? Chatters. What sound a cock makes? Crows. Brilliant children, you've started learning. Do like, share and subscribe my channel.